Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to get some pumpkins and we're going to do some pumpkin carving. I don't know about you guys, but in my family we love to do pumpkin carving every year, and since Ben and I have been together, I've made him do it with me as well, and I think he has fun. He might say that he doesn't, but
oh, it's a blast.
He likes it.
I haven't done it since I was like a kid, so it's always kind of like fun to relive childhood.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that today. It's the first day, I'm gonna say it's the first day of fall because we woke up this morning, it was 45 degrees out, it felt great. It's only about 60 degrees out now, and whereas it's been 80s, 90s for months now down here, so it's nice to have a cooler day where we can go outside and not be sweating and miserable, you know? So trees are starting to change, so yeah. We're gonna go carve some pumpkins, and
you gotta pick out the pumpkins first.
Yeah, we do have to go pick out the pumpkins. We have a few farms that we can go to, but we're probably gonna go to one that's smaller, doesn't cost anything to get into, because I don't like to pay to get into farms and stuff, but yeah, we'll take you with us. We're trying to find the price of the pumpkins because everything else is listed, but the prices of the pumpkins are not listed, and it's an honor system, so we don't want to gyp anybody on their pumpkins.
All right, did you get your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to get one more. This guy's a heavy one. Alrighty.
Got your pumpkin?
I got my pumpkin. It might need to be washed off a little bit, but...
Which one do you think looks better? You can let
comment
us know
down below.
Comment down below which shape you like better. Thanks for coming along on today's adventure. We hope you like our pumpkin carving.
Comment down below whose pumpkin you liked more. And if you like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel.